On November 23, 1932, members of Pretty Boy Floyd's gang walked into the Farmers and Merchants Bank looking to stick up the joint. Little did they know how bold Boley was.
Well, Pretty Boy Floyd told them, do not rob that bank.
After raiding banks across the state, the gang was on the run and feeling unstoppable. Their boss had warned them, though, that the all-black Boley was a different kind of town.
And in the vault was a shotgun and a rifle.
As the nation's first black-owned bank, locals say the employees practiced for every scenario. So when cashier H.C. McCormick saw the out-of-towners approaching, he hid in the safe. Bank president D.J. Turner then handed the money to Floyd's right-hand man, Birdwell, triggering the alarm.
Birdwell asked the president, did you set that alarm off? He said, I sure did. And he shot him and he killed him.
It would be his final act, as McCormick pointed the rifle through a crack in the vault's door and fired at the bandit. Birdwell's two accomplices fled, only to be greeted by a mob of townfolk waiting outside, guns at the ready.
One of the gang members was shot in the leg. The other gang member made it to the car, and as he backed up to turn around to leave Boley, he was killed.
Andre Head and his wife Jesselyn are eager to tell the story to the masses, using a National Park Service grant of $24,000 to start fixing up the place. The full restoration will take around $200,000, complete with annual reenactments.
But the tenacity of the people in Boley proved that Floyd met his Waterloo, Boley-loo.
That history will come to life in 2020. Jesse Mitchell, Oklahoma's own News 9.